Healthy and easy snacks for breastfeeding moms. Breastfeeding brings joy and fulfillment to the mother and infant alike. These positive feelings are driven by hormones such as oxytocin and prolactin that pave the way for a nurturing mother-infant relationship. New mothers pay so much attention to their baby's nutrition that they often forget to take care of their own. As a result, both the quality and the quantity of breast milk can be affected. If you are a nursing or pumping mom, you already know the incredible hunger that is associated with breastfeeding a baby. One way to satisfy your appetite is to graze on filling and wholesome snacks throughout the day. Consuming a variety of nutritious food will not only improve the quality of your breast milk but also keep you energized. In today's video, we have discussed some healthy and easy snacks for breastfeeding moms. Watch till the end of the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. What makes snacks good for breastfeeding? If you are wondering if it's normal to feel hungry all the time when you are breastfeeding mom, then the answer is yes. Producing enough milk to feed a baby puts enormous pressure on your body. This requires about 500 extra calories a day. Therefore, including healthy snacks in your diet can fulfill your increased calorie requirement. There are 3 basic requirements for a good and healthy breastfeeding snack. Number 1. It should be nutritious. Any meal taken during the breastfeeding period should be nutritious. So as long as you breastfeed, you need to make sure that your diet is pumped with nutrition. Eat foods that boost your energy, such as whole grain, nuts, fruits, veggies, etc. Number 2. It should be easy to prepare. Being a mother is a full-time job and it's not possible to find extra time. You will not have the extra time or effort to prepare elaborate meals and snacks for yourself. So look for snacks that are easy to make and can be prepared with only a few ingredients. Number 3. It should support lactation. Foods that enhance lactation and milk supply are ideal for breastfeeding moms. If you are having a hard time producing enough milk, then try lactation boosting foods. 5 healthy and quick snack recipes for breastfeeding moms. Number 1. Nuts and dried fruits trial mix. Nuts and dried fruit are an instant source of energy. They are calorie dense and also contain essential nutrients such as potassium and fiber. They are also super easy to make, and if you don't want to spend time making it, you can always buy it by bag. To make trial mix, combine equal parts nuts and dried fruit of your choice. If you like extra crunch, you can also add air roasted popcorn, mini pretzels, toasted coconut, sunflower and pumpkin seeds, etc. Eat a handful of trial mix about 2 times a day or as suggested by your doctor. Number 2. Cucumbers with cream cheese and smoked salmon. Cucumbers are super veggies. They are hydrating and are a top choice for replenishing the natural fluid stores of your body. Cream cheese is delicious and is a healthy fat. Salmon makes a great source of protein. To make this quick and healthy snack, cut up a cucumber, top it up with a layer of cream cheese and some protein-rich smoked salmon. Some easy alternatives to this snack are carrots with string cheese or cut vegetables with hummus. Number 3. Dark chocolate and raspberries. Breastfeeding moms often have chocolate cravings. If you want to satisfy your chocolate craving, this is the ideal snack for you. Instead of milk chocolate, try dark chocolate since it's a healthier alternative and the antioxidants can counter the negative effects of free radicals present in the human body. Dark chocolate can be paired with some fruits, but raspberries make the tastiest option. Raspberries are also anti-inflammatory. To make this snack, you can either eat chunks of dark chocolates with fresh raspberries or blend the dark chocolate in raspberries and eat it. Number 4. Apples and tuna. Canned tuna makes a great topping for bread or healthy whole grain crackers. But if you don't want to go the extra mile and are looking for a simple snack, this is the solution. Tuna and apple is a rare but extremely delicious combination. Tuna is lean meat, thus a great choice of protein, and it also helps in producing melatonin. To make this snack, mix canned tuna with sliced apples and you will be good to go. Number 5. Hard-boiled eggs and whole grain crackers. Hard-boiled eggs are super easy to make and are also healthy. Eggs are rich in protein and can make up for the extra calories required by a breastfeeding mommy. In addition, eggs are lactation-boosting food and can easily kick up the milk supply. Eat your eggs with some whole grain crackers and you will be set. To make this snack, boil eggs as per your liking and eat them with whole grain crackers. For seasoning, you can use anything from simple salt and pepper to garlic, mustard, peri-peri, chili flakes, herbs, etc.